If we launch a Blazor WebAssembly application, as I've shown you many times before, the loading screen is visible for a moment. Importantly, we can fully customize this view, so it's a good idea to display a nice view here and, above all, illustrate the page loading process for the user. To change this default spinner, just go to the index.html file located in our client application in the www root folder and change the code responsible for displaying this spinner. You can display any HTML and CSS code here to show a nice view to the user. I have previously prepared the code for the loading screen, and we can replace it here to see that it actually works. I also added the name of our application in the header. Then we have the spinner and a message that the application is loading. And if you now go to the application, this is what the loading screen looks like. This loading screen will also be shown to the user upon their first connection to our site. So it's worth spending some time to create a nice welcome screen, and as I showed you, you can customize it in the index.html file. Now, let's move on to the next lesson where we will discuss the application's backend.